So you mean to tell me that while everybody was chilling at the crib, people in San Francisco were having a blast with all these early sneaker releases? They had Grape 5s, White Cement 4s, Flu Game 12s, I know those dropping real quick, SB 4s, what else dropped, bro? Rare Airs, they dropped everything, family. And if you're unaware, I'm about to show you what happened this All-Star weekend. I'm gonna go over all those releases in this video and let y'all know why it's probably better to wait for some, if not most of these releases. Throughout All-Star weekend, Jordan decided to go off, releasing so many sneakers early, some of which aren't even supposed to drop all the way out till September. I'm talking about the Jordan 4 Rare Airs, one of my favorites out of all the pairs that released, and ironically, it actually is a new colorway. These almost seem like a mashup of a bunch of different OGs. The way they did these are just tasteful. I love the materials. Therefore, these are definitely on my radar, but not at the price they're going for right now, fam. There's too much shit going on for me to spend $500–600 for a pair of Jordan 4s when I know for a fact 2 months prior to the release I could at least get these for like $350. That's kind of the ballpark I try to stay on because I could at least recoup my money for the sneaker through these videos, so it makes sense financially for me personally. But if I were one of y'all, I'm dead ass waiting till the release, if not after, bro. There's no rush. I'm pretty sure you've been watching these videos for a minute. You probably got some sneakers in your collection. Don't go out here and spend an arm and a leg for a pair of kicks. Just me personally, you feel me? These dropped that All-Star weekend and some people got their hands on them. Let me know if that's some of y'all out there. I'm pretty sure somebody's from San Fran or went out there to get some of these pairs. Another one of my favorites is the White Cement Jordan 4s, family, an iconic Jordan 4, might I add. In 2024, we got the Bred 4 Reimagines, which are super clean. I love the twist when it came to the leather. We also got military blue 4s last year, one of my favorites out of all the OGs. A few years back, we got the fire reds, so it was only right for us to get the White Cements, my favorite out of all 4. This is a close second. It used to be first, but honestly, I miss my White Cements so much, and out of all the pairs I've had, I wore the White Cements the most, so I'm excited for those to drop in price, you feel me? $500 not happening. I don't know what they're going for currently. I think it's like $500–600 as well. I'm telling you firsthand, POV, head ass, not happening, bro. I'm definitely gonna get them early, but not this early, bro. We're months out. I'm gonna wait for the loads to come in, for those prices to dip before I spend $600, bro. Like, they're wild. Speaking of their wild, the Jordan 1 Bred 85 highs that we recently saw release, those have been all over the place, bro. People were camping out, doing their thing for those, but now that dust is settling on that pair, prices are low-key starting to creep up ever so slightly. If that's a pair that you're looking for, keep an eye out on them because they could easily become a $700–800 sneaker. Not to be talking about resale too much, but the harsh reality is nowadays, if you want a shoe, if you really want a shoe, you damn near gotta expect to pay resell. It's the name of the game. I can't blame the game, bro. It's just where we at with it. Sometimes you get lucky, but 9 times out of 10, that's not the fact. If y'all end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. 1,000 likes is the goal for this video. We're testing something new, so if y'all could leave a like down below. If you've been here before and never left a like, go down below and leave a like. I'm trying to see how powerful we are, bro. League of Legends type shit, bro. Leave a like down below, and if you do end up enjoying the content, subscribe to the channel. Let me know you're new so I could welcome y'all to the family the proper way. But keep on watching. Regardless, these White Cement 4s are looking spectacular in hand. Do I need them? Yes, I really do. I need to complete the Jordan 4 set. After those, bro, I think I'm straight with the OGs because obviously I got all the OGs. We just got to see what's happening after this, what more developments we get. Speaking of developments, we got Nike SB 4s everywhere. Resale prices are $700–800, which beware, bro. Like, please do not spend $700 on these. Just don't, bro. It's rumored that some skate shops got up to 1,000 pairs. These are rumors. I'm gonna put the little alert right here. It's a rumor, but 1,000 pairs in one store, bro. Resell's going down, mandatory. I'm pretty sure a lot of those people put them shit straight on feet, which I love it, to be honest. But are these gonna stay at $700-800? Negative. It's a negative. It's not happening. They're not staying higher than these right here, because these are definitely better. It's not even a question. Argue with your uncle, bro.
What's up, baby?
It's not happening. These are better. So I highly doubt these navy joints that are dropping are gonna resell for more than these. To be honest, if you're gonna spend $700 on those, just buy these and save yourself like $300, because these are just better than the navy pair. Maybe if they would have dropped the red joints, but I'm hearing those are F&F, so we probably not gonna see those, and if we do, it will be like later on. Hopefully they just switch the whole color palette or put like a linen version on these, bro. Like, give me the sand colorway back. Like, y'all probably don't even know about those. There's a lot of fire colorways that they could touch on. Just don't keep giving me the same shit regurgitated to the point where I don't even want it no more. That's all I'm saying. My bad if I'm yapping. I was low-key doing my detective work to try to find footage or shit to talk about in this video, obviously, and I came across these two pictures, bro. One being either a very lucky or adamant individual who managed to get 3 of the releases that were coming out in All-Star Weekend. God bless you, my brother, first and foremost. Homie had the Rare Air 4s, White Cement 4s, and the SB 4s. You low-key loaded, bro. Like, where you at? Let me film some content real quick. I got you. Another article of information that I came across is this picture right here. On this picture, there's a paper with a list of 9 different sneakers, some of which are straight bangers, some may be questionable, but if I zoom in really closely, you can see one of my favorite sneakers all time, and I'm talking about the Grape Jordan 5s. These are beautiful, family. I need them. I need these right here. Now, when there's one pair in all this shit that I'm debating on paying for, it's these right here. They're going for like 4 something. Correct me if I'm wrong. Matter of fact, you're not going to correct me at all because I'm about to go find it. Never mind. I'm a size 10, and you can low-key see the corner of this price right here, $2,200, bro. They can juggle one from the back sideways. Like, I'm not doing it. Like, bro, leave me alone. I'm waiting until they hit $300. $350, you might catch me on the wrong time, but $2,000, you're bugging. For real, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, don't go out there and spend $480 on a size 11. That's just me personally, bro. If you got money to blow, spend that shit on something that can make you some more money, and then just wait on the shoe to release, possibly, bro. You don't even need them like that, if we being real. But I continued my search for information, and I found this picture right here, posted by Hyped Up NYC. I don't know if this is a store, who they are. Low-key free promo. That's crazy, but they're playing Kendrick Lamar, Not Like Us. And one thing I can tell you is that, yes, indeed, I am not like you, brother. You got all of it. You low-key got the Union ones, Galaxy foams, and then the 4-pack on the top, bro. Like, you are not playing. And one thing's for sure, 5 things for certain, bro. You souffled All-Star Weekend. Like, you deadass defeated All-Star Weekend, bro. Like, you got all of them. Low-key, if I was to rank these top 5 off the dome, not even really thinking about it, I'm going White Cement number 1, Rare Airs number 2, Union 1s after that, Galaxy foams, and I think I'll put the SB 4s at the bottom, bro. They're not bad by any means, but out of all of these, those go at the bottom, bro. Galaxy foams, nostalgia on the money. Speaking of, I think those are gonna go up and resell as time progresses, little by little, because it's a banger sneaker that we low-key got back. Used to be worth so much money, and I refuse to believe that they're gonna stay that cheap, at least as years progress. I'm imagining that someone who pays resell for Galaxy foams is actually gonna end up wearing them and not resell them, at least the vast majority. So I'd imagine those are gonna go up in value. These Union 1s are actually gonna drop real soon. The estimated release date is February 28th on the Union website, and then later on sneakers. So I definitely think this is another pair that's gonna plummet in value, at least by half, simply because there's 2 different releases going on. We already had the 2 OGs and this pair, which y'all probably don't even want me to bring up. From rumors that the stock numbers are high on these, to the fact that it's not the first colorway or nothing too new. We've seen a bunch of Chicagos at this point. I think these will definitely sit at around $300 to $400. Eventually they will go up, but not right away. That's my personal personal opinion. Honestly, I could be wrong, and it is what it is. If I am wrong, I'll definitely let y'all know, but that's just what I personally think is gonna happen. On that same list, we saw 2 different versions of the Jordan 1 Rare Air. Apparently there's like a women's version and a man's version. There's a blue pair and like a sail pair, both equally kind of ass, personally mediocre in a way. I feel like they're nowhere near the 4s or the 3s that we're gonna see real soon. The list contains a lot of stuff, bro, because that same list had the Jordan 11 Breds. What I heard is that you had the option to choose 2 different sneakers out of the whole list. For me, I honestly would have chose the same ones that my man's Marco chose, you feel me? The grape 5s and the white cement 4s cannot go wrong, bro. Rare Air 4s would have been a contender for me though, but the OG lover in me low-key would have gravitated towards those same 2 pairs. Let me know out of this whole list which pair of kicks you would have chose. The black pair at the bottom is actually the Rare Air 4s, which is a banger. It's a close third, bro. But those white cements and the grapes, bro, I remember those grape 5s vividly. It's one of the core memories for me. Y'all gonna see those on the channel early for sure. I'm literally waiting for prices to drop. Another pair I think you shouldn't buy early is one that I own, bro, and it's the diffused blue Meuniers. I know these have nothing to do with All-Star Weekend, but low-key I have these in the collection and I plan on doing the early review for them, but I just think people are kind of sick of Meunier. I don't know what it is about it. Personally, I love these and I don't even mind the fact that I bought them early. I could see myself rocking these. Like, these are hard, but the consensus on the street is that these are mid, and I don't know what's going on, but Resell is currently like $290, $280, and I could definitely see them going for $200, maybe even under. I don't know, but we're gonna make a video about these real soon. I just thought I'd remind y'all, sometimes patience is dead ass a virtue. I don't mean to go there with y'all. I don't think I brought it up earlier, but the Rare Air Jordan 1s are currently going for like $427, bro. It's just not happening. I think that's the settling point for the Union ones. So honestly, just hold off and wait to pay resale for something like that. The only sneaker y'all should be focusing on paying resale right now, if you got the money and are waiting to buy a pair of kicks, is the bred ones, bro. Those are said and done. No more releases when it comes to those, and I think everybody that's buying those is actually trying to wear them. Like, if I get those, they go into the toe fast, and I'm sure a lot of sneakerheads feel the same way. So it's one of those things where I feel like everybody who didn't get them is actually trying to buy those. Like, people are probably skipping on releases to buy those, and I hate to be the one to bring it up, but it kind of reflects in the resale value. They dipped all the way down to like around 400, and they're currently on the uproar, bro. They are cracking new heights, head ass. They're going right back up instead of going down, which is typically what happens when these releases happen, if that makes sense. The last shoe I'm gonna talk about is actually the Jordan 12 flu games. I'm pretty sure these were infesting the streets throughout All-Star Weekend because the prices dipped a lot on them. They're currently at like $270, $280. I know the release is around the block for these March 1st, if I'm not mistaken, and it's a clean looking shoe. I feel like time got the best of me when it came to this one. It was a pair that I was actually interested in getting because if y'all don't know, I have the older pair that I really do enjoy, so I would have loved a refresh, but I guess we're gonna wait on the release. I think once the flu games actually release, they'll go down to right around retail, so it's still not worth paying that $270, bro. You could deadass probably pull up to the mall or see when they do the reserve to pick them up for retail. Probably better off just waiting for that shit. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, make sure you leave a like down below. 400 likes is the goal for this video. Low key aiming for like 1,000. If y'all could get me there, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more content. Let me know that you're new down below so I could welcome y'all to the family. And all that being said, make sure y'all check out one of these 2 videos. That's what YouTube's recommending you to watch based on your previous history, bro. They know what you be watching. Kind of weird to think about, but they think you gonna like one of these 2. And if they're right, you might start questioning some stuff. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Peace.